All right, guys, welcome back to a quick video. This is another video on the OnePlus 13, but this time we're going MagSafe, this time with the TUDIA case. So TUDIA was nice enough to send this over. I already reviewed this color, but it was the non-MagSafe version. And so now they've sent it over and we're gonna pop it up and I'll show you. There you go. This is the MagSafe version of this case. This technology is really nice with the OnePlus phones, that you can have a case on it and then also be able to use all your same MagSafe items that you already have, like in your car or whatever. So this is a really nice setup. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create another combo. Since this is just a snap-on back, I'm going to take the MagSafe portion here and turn it into the two-tone, which I think is really nice. Good little flex. And now you have a really solid looking case that has MagSafe technology. And there you go. It is definitely MagSafe technology. Not the strongest magnet, but definitely strong enough. It won't go anywhere when you have it hooked in your car or whatever. But just judging by how this snaps here, with some other cases that I know that have technology, this is definitely going to work. Look at that. It's not coming off. Now, if your phone was in here, I don't know if I would shake it like that, but it is definitely very, very solid and very nice. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. And I think this kind of light green with the dark green with the white camera module on the back, you don't even know that the phone is blue anymore. Wow. This is a nice grippy case. I've been kind of rotating between cases, and I've been using this official OnePlus case, which is pretty much a game changer for OnePlus fans. But this combination here is nice. Now you have a green and white style going with your OnePlus 13. So you do have the simple branding down here, the TUDIA branding. Just a little bit right there. Then you got all this grip on the sides, your alert slider, volume rocker, power button. All ports are cut out. You have to make sure that all the ports are cut out, or you're not gonna get the functionality of your phone. You look on the bottom, you got all ports cut out. It's like a marker or something on there. But there it is, man. Very nice. Very nice. This is a beautiful combination right here. And I think I'm going to rock this right here for a little bit of time now. I like how this looks. And I think it's very sleek and sexy with the white camera module. And I'm not the biggest fan of this camera module, but this combination right here, it looks pretty good. I like it. Oh, I guess it will hold. Haha, so it does work. All right, so it is a strong magnet. Outside of the case, it didn't feel as strong. Like outside of the phone, it didn't feel that strong. But now that it's on there, I like it. And I'm gonna rock this just like this. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Links in the description. Go ahead and grab you one, or two, or three. Get a whole bunch of different combinations so you can mix and match. You gotta create a fly combination like this. Yeah, you have to.